Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSOI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, but after today's nice movement, updates here need to be made. So the first update I'm going to do is just a little bit of an adjustment. And the question really just becomes, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And now that we have more data from the chart, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support up here to 0.014. Not to insult your intelligence, but I just need to adjust that green line higher. And my point is this: whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's always definitely a good sign of bullishness. Now, does that mean this thing's going up to 5 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that when levels of support need to be adjusted higher and then adjusted higher again, that implies that the price is building higher lows, and that is how those healthy long-term uptrends are constructed. It's all about the higher lows. So going forward now, 0.014 is one of the newest areas of support, but it's also, that's just an ideal level. Meaning that's not like some sort of must-hold area where if the price goes down there and falls below it, then that means that everything's destroyed. Doesn't mean anything like that. That's just an area where if the price could actually manage to stay above there, that would be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.014 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. And why don't they matter? Well, what matters the most is what the price has been doing. And that is that right there, just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and building those higher lows, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.